the bread that feeds souls. In a small village, Maria baked bread every morning. Her house smelled warm and sweet. People loved her bread because it was soft and delicious. But Maria did not bake bread only for selling. Every day she made extra loaves. These were for people who had no food. One morning, an old man knocked on Maria's door. His clothes were torn and he looked very tired. "Do you have bread for me?" he asked. Maria smiled kindly. "Yes, of course," she said. She gave him a fresh loaf. The man held it like a treasure. "You are very kind," he said. "Why do you help strangers like me?" Maria thought for a moment. "Because bread is life," she said. "And everyone deserves a piece of life." The man thanked her and left. Later that day, a young boy came running. He was thin and his face looked worried. "Miss Maria, my mother is sick. Can we have some bread?" Maria gave him 2 loaves, one for today and one for tomorrow, she said. The boy smiled for the first time that day. In the evening, Maria sat by the fire. Her neighbor came to visit. "Maria, why do you give bread for free?" he asked. Maria smiled softly. "Bread fills the stomach, but kindness fills the heart," she said. "When I help others, I feel full too." The neighbor thought about her words and nodded. Maria looked at the stars. She felt happy. She knew her bread did more than feed people. It gave them hope and love. In her small village, Maria's bread fed not just bodies, but also souls.